Hey, it's Bruce Jordan of Michael Jordan Hotels. Today we're going to talk about 3 things employees should never do when working in a hotel. Let's go.
It was prophesied that another Jordan will be born who will be greater than Michael Jordan, but he won't be the MJ of basketball. He will be the MJ of hotels.
Prophecy fulfilled. This episode was brought to you by the Hotel Revenue Bible, the #1 hotel revenue book that has ever been written. It includes revenue management, digital ads, social media marketing, sales, catering, F&B, and more. Grab your copy today at hotelrevenuebible.com. Hey, it's the hotel business, and employees, sometimes they get a little too comfortable with guests, and it ends up messing up the hotel and getting some bad reviews. So these are 3 things you should always avoid when dealing with the guests. #1, do not talk about hotel business issues, or anything dealing with our hotel employee problems with the guests at the hotel. You would get this shameful look from the guests like, why am I staying in this property if it has all these issues? A lot of things that you see dealing with the hotel are confidential, and it's none of the guest business. If someone came in late, didn't show up, and you have to work 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour over your shift, that is none of the guest business. It has nothing to do with the guest. There's nothing the guest can do to change that situation. You should never talk about these type of issues with the hotel guests at all, ever. If you need to talk to someone, you should probably talk to your manager or your supervisor. Do not talk about hotel issues with the guests. #2, always avoid religion and politics when it comes to hotel guests. Even if you're the same religion and have the same political views, if they share them with you. A lot of guests, they come in and they're frustrated, and they're angry, they're mad, and you may see eye to eye, but when you start unraveling and digging deeper, you really don't see eye to eye. Like, let's say you're a Republican, and one may support another party and another person may support another party. You're both Republicans, you just have different views. Or you're both part of the same religion, you just have different denominations. So you really want to stay away from these topics when you're dealing with guests, because when you guest has some type of power and authority, and their power and authority is their voice. So they can leave a bad review, and they will put your name in the views, and what your views are, and you don't want that to reflect on the hotel. So try to stay away from those subjects and those topics when you're talking to and dealing with guests, especially religious issues, because that can walk down a different path and lead to lawsuits for that particular hotel. So stay away from that at all costs. And #3, finally, and the final one, do not let guests draw you into their personal matters when it comes to each other. You may have a couple that's fighting right in front of you, and they want your opinion and what you think, and stay neutral. You have nothing to do with anyone's personal problems or their kids or anything of that nature. You do not give your opinion. Do not give try to comfort one and put down the other. I've seen that happen. I'm like, what is going on? What are you doing? Because at the end of the day, they're going to go home. And they're going to figure out whatever their problems is. They don't need any help from you. You're not paid to be a psychologist. All right, you're not a therapist. Like, you're none of that. Let these people handle their own problems in their own situation and works out what's best for them. If it doesn't have anything contributing to the service that you're trying to provide this guest, you have romance packages or honeymoons or weddings, what the case may be, stay out of it, because it always comes back to bite you. And if they are in a really bad situation, it can lead up to, they could blame you for their divorce or breaking up, whatever the case may be. You don't want to put yourself in that situation when it comes to a guest. Their personal life is their personal life. Your personal life is your personal life. So these are 3 things that you always want to avoid when you're dealing with guests at the hotel. This is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan Hotels. signing out.
Hey, what's going on? It's Bruce Shorten, the hotel revenue expert. I just want to take a quick second to thank you for watching this video. If you could just do us a big favor and just subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more videos like this, more information, great information about hotels. I'm also the author of the Hotel Revenue Bible. You can get that book on hotelrevenuebible.com. And we are here to answer all your questions. So if you have any questions, just shoot us a quick text at 321-321-2002. That's 321-321-2002. And you can book a revenue call. Go to hotelrevenuecall.com and we can answer any and all your questions. Just make an appointment with me. You'll do one-on-one with me. You'll be able to do one-on-one with me, and we could go ahead and get all your questions answered and see if you have any revenue issues that needs to be resolved. Talk to you soon. Thank you again. Hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate you.